In this video, I'm going to show you how to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege on a PS4 or PS5 and PC. So as you can see, crossplay and cross progression Rainbow Six Siege is not compatible. So this means you can matchmake with others who are playing our compatible platforms, or it is not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. So as you can see, it's not possible. Even if you do something that would make it possible, it will not be possible. And even though in other platforms that I've seen, it it has a crossplay, but you cannot play it together with PS4 or PS5 with PC. So yeah, it's not possible to crossplay between PS4 or PS5 to PC. And that's it.